Hello everybody, welcome to News on Screenshots. Now news wey no consign us. Now we want to dey carry. Today, this one consign us and we wan carry am. Nigeria just recently has lost its sovereignty to China for ego nekwanu $400 million dolly, $400 million na im dey sell una. And I always know say na one person fit say Nigeria. Okom akande one Nigeria o. Una remember June 2016? June 16th, we both know say we don first borrow before, but if you remember, Nigeria bin talk say they wan borrow money, say they need more money from China. They deceive us. They use Rotimi Amechi, Minister of Transport, come tell government say, and they tell Nigerians say no, government no go, China no go take credit for this thing. Say na Standard Chartered Bank. Say no be China. Say the credit will go to Nigerian government. I don't understand what's the meaning of credit. Who define credit? Now credit, we like credit. We do like maybe they commend us. See. So remember saying Rotimi Amechi no tell us how much they even borrow. They no tell us how much they borrow. Amechi now later come they beg, come they explain. They tell Nigerians say, this thing will bring money. It's not business idea. Say monthly revenue from railway operations don't even increase from 70 million to 350 million. Bro, I can't ask say how these people they take? Which kind of business will be this? You want sign agreement, you no read the agreement wey they sign. You sell us out, you no know, you just out for the money.
We are a
because Chinese people bring agreements. You come to collect money, then give you agreement wey you sign. Agreement wey they bring me sign, they write am for Chinese language. Come translate am for Mandarin. So you now wey come to collect money and you dey pledge something. You come to borrow money, you go keep something now. So now that's the value of that thing wey you keep. Chinese people know say that thing go, you no even fit repay this money. They know. Now why borrow? Ana kasi go guy. For your mind, you go to say, hey, Nigeria get money. No, money dey. Oga, money no in Nigeria o. Any money wey dey circulate now na borrowed money. Because I know this COVID period, Nigeria never record sale of crude oil since few months back. They've not recorded any sale. They know they sell nothing. You know they sell nothing.
And then you
so
don't
now,
show your country
you don't pay
because
don't they ask
writing those
these people
things
say,
in Chinese letters
waiting
is because of the things that we saw
Rotimi Amechi
happening
go
in
come carry
other
the matter
African
now, go put
countries
for good
where
luck
the
Jonathan
Chinese will
head.
come
Say good luck Jonathan regime. Say him they owe. Say they come pay something. They pay. Say they don't pay almost $150 million. You don't tell who then the ask una don't sell us, una don't sell Nigeria. Watch this video, and as they watch this video, make it they hit on the like and the subscribe button. As you watch this video, they watch this video, because I will come tell una the main thing. As they watch this video now, they hit on the like and the subscribe button. Let's watch this video together. Watch this video. As they watch this video, you go see say they don't actually sell you, but you don't know. We dey hear am before na rumor. Now wetin happen for other African countries now? Na make some reasonable people for Nigeria, some reasonable people wey dem go say wetin dey happen? They come translate the agreement, come see say actually our sovereignty has been sold to China. Chinese go come, they tell say no, keep your military assets, keep your diplomatic assets. No, we no want those things. They go take the main important thing wey they need. They know military. They know say tomorrow if they come to collect their money, now tell them say no, we no go. We get military. This one we no fit fight Boko Haram. China tough now. China go watch. China go cheap. China be like chin now. They strong. So they know say we no fit fight them. So these men now don't go sell you now they sell us, we no know. I always know that even as we think say we sabi scam for the country, we feel say 419 now we start am, now we sabi, now we get sense pass, now still small.
You saying you
magic
want to sell Nigeria to China for how much?
Thing now they go use sell us out.
The same 400 million.
Watch this video now while they play for you now. Watch this video and listen
those allegations.
That's what we are
and listen. If you listen very well and open your, you understand the state that we are in this country. Too much borrowing, too much borrowing. Chinese get money to give now, bro. Chinese people, they get money to give. They will give you. They don't say you don't fit pay back. They don't check your economy. They don't say they do nothing. So they want sell. If they sell, so that if Chinese come to collect that, they'll say, go south, go collect your price. Okay, if they come south now, okay, we'll come they get problem with them. They all add two people, make people fight. Watch this video, and as they watch this video, they hit on the like and the subscribe button for me.
Thank you. The minister is not truthful. In normal good societies, the minister should resign. And if you see, the minister perpetuated this fraud right from
Sorry, please.
the beginning. Let me finish,
Catch,
please.
you
I own my word. Let me just finish. Let me talk. I
facts.
think I'm a Nigerian.
You speak with facts. You speak with facts.
It is a fraud.
Exactly. You have to speak
let
with
me
facts.
finish, please. When you try to do an agreement on behalf of your country, and then you don't show your country any agreement, because writing those things in Chinese letters is because of the things that we saw happening in other African countries, where the Chinese will come in gently pretending to be a development partner, and the next day they go. I have it on a good authority. The Chinese are targeting the LNG. That's what they want.
Those are allegations.
Good. And if you are saying you want to sell Nigeria to China, for how much? 400 million. The same 400 million Buhari got back from Abacha Lut and shared it according to him.
Those are allegations.
That's what we are doing.
Dr. Catch, I think you should.
My party, the PDP, will not allow, or because we did business with the Chinese and we never wrote an agreement to give away our sovereignty. This thing was hidden. There were no prints that actually were written in English. It is simply because we've not taken those papers to go and reinterpret it that we have now found out that somewhere, somehow, Nigerians signed agreement, signed Nigeria over to the Chinese to give our sovereignty to China. The Chinese are planning to take our LNG. That's what it is. They will not touch your military or diplomatic asset. Any other asset in the country is free. And of course, I agree the way my brother said, they will help you to fail. And once they fail, there's no arbitration. They take those things and you start arguing. They will tell you they simply are implementing the letters of the agreement. And if you like go to arbitration or not, they have that thing. So we don't want this. 400 million. Please, we don't want anything that will make Nigeria lose its sovereignty. Absolutely. We do not want anything. No, please, we don't want. Nigeria will be going on our own pace. And nobody has said they want our sovereignty. What do you want tomorrow? Okay, tomorrow they will now close our oil fields. That is it now. Because they said, leave diplomatic, leave military assets. But who are we? The Chinese can overrun us. If they ever want to take anything and we say no, they will overrun us with their military, because they have stronger military capability than we do. So why should we be this foolish? And for me, the minister should resign. And the government should apologize to the people. And that's why I've been saying since that the president is not available to act, to guide the ship of state. And that's why you see all this is happening. We are only discovering this simply because some Nigerians, having read about the Chinese behavior in some other African countries, took these papers to go for reprint. And when they went for interpretation, they found out that the minister actually signed away our sovereignty.
Are you saying it wasn't written in English?
No, it was not.
Really?
Never.
Are you sure?
It was this very agreement. I'm happy we're discussing it now.
If it wasn't written in English, how did I get that quote?
Because this problem, when we found out it was only written in Mandarin. Nigerians said, look at what is happening in other African countries. Let us go and interpret this thing written in Chinese. That was how we went to do it, and then these things are discovered. Nobody ever knew about this thing. And this is where the problem is. So why would you even sign an agreement that you cannot read? Who are the Nigerians that signed it? Because if Nigerians have seen it, my brother, my sister, Nigerians are patriotic people. They will raise their voice at the very first minute that they see it. I don't want the money. How can you take my sovereignty? Do you know what that means? For how much? 400 million. That's what you want to sell Nigeria for. And then the Chinese can now take anything that they want. Our assets, our oil assets, they are not taking, the Chinese are talking about taking over the LNG. Yes, the Chinese will make sure our politicians default. Yes, I am very happy that we've all agreed that we are angry. I believe that now that we found out that there are new loans with sovereignty tied to it, Nigerians do not want it. If you want to predict the future, study the past. We don't have a good history of managing foreign loans. We're very likely to fall. And if we fall, the Chinese will come here. If what they gave us for the money has depreciated, they will look around and take whatever they think they want that is up to the money they gave us. Don't forget this. So don't say it's tied to. No, it's not. If I give you some particular things, say a phone, that money is marked against the phone. If the time when the time to pay is and you've destroyed the phone, I won't tell you give me phone. Nope. I'll look at for anything you have and I will take it. That's what it is. Understand what they're saying. They're not telling you that thing. No, the thing they give you with the money, you could depreciate it. The 400 million, you might look inside that project and you find only 150 million.
Absolutely.
But they will take something off Nigeria for that thing on their mind.
So what should we do at this moment?
We do not want such. Because of the way we are a multi-ethnic society. The way Buhari has arranged these loans, that he excluded the Southeast and then excluded a lot of the South-South, and he spends the money up north. Tomorrow, when the Chinese want to take something and they say they want to take it in the Southeast, the areas that Buhari didn't expand this infrastructure of loans for, how do you think that will occur? We don't want it.
Okay.
We don't want it.